全球都在紧盯中国航天的新动作。就在昨天，我国揽月着陆器在河北怀来的成功试飞，把中国载人登月的蓝图又清晰地铺展了一块。试验中，这台高约5米的着陆器展现了精准的操控能力，4台发动机负责减速，配合姿态控制发动机，让整个过程稳定有序。落月阶段，它先悬停观察，避开障碍后再降落，2条腿一触地，发动机便及时关停，尽显智能。而发动机的冗余备份设计，更是将航天员的安全放在首位。难怪全球都在紧盯中国航天的新动作，这般硬核实力真是太提气了。
Obstacles and then landed. As soon as his legs touched the ground, the engine shut down in time, showing its intelligence. And the brave backup design of the engine put the safety of the astronauts first. It is no wonder that the world is keeping an eye